Hello creative families, my name is Juliana. I am the owner and founder of Pachis Art Studio, and I am here to welcome you to Pachis at Home. I am about to go through everything that is in your art kit, and I hope you enjoy it. This is your 3 to 5 year old art kit. This art kit not only gives you creative opportunities to put together different fun activities, but it also has many projects that are designed specifically to promote fine motor skills, pincer skills, and hand-eye coordination skills. So let's start with the paper. You have 4 sheets of cardstock paper, great for any painting or drawing medium. Watercolors might be a little bit tricky because the absorbency of the paper is not like regular watercolor paper, but by all means, if that's what you have at home, please do use those to paint your paper. It comes with 2 masks. This collage kit that's kind of like the trail mix of art supplies. It has feathers, pom-pom balls, googly eyes, beads, pipe cleaners, a glue stick, and 2 pieces of elastic so that you can add them to your mask and wear them around the house for your superheroes, the masquerade party, or any other kind of masks that you would like to make at home. This wood house over here can be used for different things. You can recreate your own home by painting it and making it look exactly like your home, or you can paint it, and if you have a printer at home where you can print a small enough family portrait that you can paste onto this and decorate the rest, it makes a great photo frame. You also have different colored cardstock that can be cut into different shapes, hearts, anything that you can use to make your painting or add some more decorations to your masks. This is a recycled material little kit to make a garland, a bracelet, a necklace. Great for hand-eye coordination, and it's a lacing activity. It comes with homemade Play-Doh, all made with natural ingredients. And for this one, I put in your kit some pipe cleaners and beads so that your children can make a sculpture. You stick the pipe cleaners into the Play-Doh and then use the different beads to decorate and add on to your sculpture. Finally, you have a paintbrush and a set of paint tubs. These are all of your supplies. Those are some ideas, and I hope you have lots of fun. I hope you enjoy everything that is in your art kit, and I can't wait to see what you and your children create. If you feel stuck, if you have any questions, or if you have any more ideas that you want to share with me, please feel free to email me at juliana@mypachis.com. I would love to see what your children make, and follow us on Instagram at mypachis. Thank you, stay healthy, thank you for your support, and have a great day. Así yo no puedo trabajar, no hay seriedad en el set.